Hey guys, welcome back to Bait and Tackle. And today I'm just come over here to my local creek and I'm trying to get on maybe some smallmouth if I can. And I've got some cool lures today to try. I have some Empire Lureworks little baits. I've got some little ploppers and I've got some little crankbaits, some little tiny crankbaits. So let's just see what we can get. Hopefully we can get a couple fish. I'm not, gonna be surprised if I don't catch anything. I haven't been over here to the creek in forever, so I couldn't really tell you what's biting, but plopper should work right now this time of year. We're still the end of the summer and the temperature's still really warm. So we should be able to get on them. So let's take a try and let's see what we can do here. Restarted here, but yeah, my guy Jeremy over at Empire Lureworks hooked me up. I've got a couple. I put this box together, but he sent me a bunch of. I got two mini ploppers, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4 tiny crankbaits. So let's see what we can do. The water is super clear. I'd like to get over to that corner, and I'm used to walking through this, but let's see. Actually, before we get over there, let's do this. I'm gonna try this plopper first. Awesome looking, like bass colored, like a baby bass colored plopper. Let's just see. Oh, must have gotten hosed up. Yep. First cast and I got hosed up. Let's see if I can get this to stream back out. There we go. Now I'm gonna mention this, that this is, I think I already mentioned it once, but this is a very, that water's cold, very pressured spot. I have fished here a lot in the past, and I've noticed that a lot of people fish over here now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to sneak up on the corner where I normally fish, and I'm just going to try casting around the bank a little bit. But these are really cool lures. I love it. I forgot that this lure pops as well, so I may work it like a popper. Let's just see. I'm gonna try. They're just not digging the plopper. But let's try another spot. And I gotta get a knife out of my truck anyway, because I don't have anything to cut these with, but there's a lot of fish in here. Let's see. A lot of creek chubs. Don't see many bass. Just a lot of creek chubs. Okay. Let's do it. Well, let's try switching it up. Now I can do another plopper that's going to be a different color, or let's go with this little crank. Well, this probably doesn't have a lot of weight to it, so it's probably not going to cast super far, but let's try this little crank. See how we make out. Alright, so let's feed it. Oh, I almost lost it. That'd been fun, trying to chase that down the creek, the waterfall, as a fish eats it. I typically do a polymer knot. This is very light line. I'm not even sure what pound test this is, 4, 6, something like that. Cut the little tag end off here. Nothing little about that tag end. It's so light. Snaps pretty easy. Okay, now we can't get super far. Oh yeah, stuff's chasing it. Oh man, I can see it perfectly in the water too. It's like perfect for this. It's like bouncing off the rocks. Perfect little crankbait for in here. Got him. Look at that pretty fish. Look at that pretty fish. Hey, hey-o. Hey, buddy. I had to twitch it a few times for him to finally get it, but they like that little white crankbait. There you go, buddy. Back to your home. It's pretty deep. Caught one. That's a creek chub. Creek chubs, like Empire Lureworks, little crankbaits. Didn't know that they ate minnows that often. Well, there's 2 fish. That's not bad. If it would get any better. You see there's a really deep hole over there. Oh, got something. A creek chub. Another creek chub. A little creek chub. That's 3. Probably should have brought a pair of pliers. I did not. There we go. Little creek chub. There he goes. Not a graceful return, but that was his decision. Oh, there's another one. That is a rock bass. I didn't even know that that species was in this creek. Huh. Well, there you have it. Empire Lureworks, tiny micro crankbaits. Awesome. In the creek. Awesome. So there's a little rock bass. Now down here, rock bass, they call them something different. They call them actually a Roanoke bass. I think they have a smaller scale pattern. So, same thing, really. It's just that they're, like I said, their scale pattern is a little bit smaller. And I think that's about the only difference between that and a rock bass. And they get pretty good size. They get probably about 10, 12 inches. But not, I'm assuming not in here. I'd say the biggest smallmouth I probably caught out of here was at least 1.5 pounds. Oh, got something. There we go. There we go. Bluegill. Not bad. Not tiny, but not huge either. All right. Another bluegill. God, these fish are so pretty. Fish are so pretty. Man, the color's beautiful. Go on, buddy. There you go. Now, I've tried a couple different motions with these. I've tried kind of letting it hang there for a minute and they'll hit it. And then I've tried cranking it and they're hitting it when I crank it. Let's see, I got a Oh no. That's what I love about these mini cranks is they're great little baits. The hooks don't get tied up on them because there's not a second hook. It's just a single hook in the back. Well, double. It's like a, oh no, it's actually a full-size treble. So it's got a full-size treble in the back. There's a tree right here. Gotta look out for the tree apparently. Oh, there we go. Got one. Another bluegill. I think these truly are bluegill too. Yeah, those are truly bluegill. Very pretty colors. Got him on the other underside of the mouth. There we go. Beautiful fish. So pretty. There he goes. Off he goes. What a beautiful fish. And I'm loving this pattern that he painted on here. It's like a red splotchy like blood kind of spatter with but it's just like a little dot, like a little shad. Man, what a beautiful color. Got another bluegill. Yep, that's a bluegill. That's not a green sunfish. I don't believe. These little guys, man, they choke it. There we go, buddy. There you go. You're okay. Alright, let's let him go. There he goes. That's okay now. Try to get got something bigger. Another rock bass, or Roanoke bass as they like to call them down here. Man, he choked that one. So traditionally the scales, he got bit by something, probably a smallmouth, but traditionally the scales are bigger on a rock bass. These ones are supposed to be a little smaller, so that's what makes them a Roanoke bass species. Alright, buddy, back to your home. There we go. Toss these out. You love the creek, don't you? Huh? Yeah. Go play in there. Go back down to the corner for a few minutes and see if the crankbait does it. Something came to the top over there. There we go. There we go. That's a good sized bluegill. Oh yeah. There we go, buddy. Didn't even hurt you. And make do with what you got. Apparently a knife works just as good. What a beautiful fish. They're so pretty in here. So clean. There it goes. Back over there. A tough little cast to get over there. There we go. Got another one. Another bluegill. Smaller. There are little ones in here, and they will go after this. Man, got him with all three trebles on that one. Whoa! Okay, he's back. Where did big boy go? There we go. There we go. No, that's Big Mama Bluegill. Big Mama Bluegill. Wow, that's the biggest one I think I've caught out of this creek. Whew. Big old mama. Holy cow. That's almost edible. Whew. That's a good sized fish. See if we can get a good release one on that guy. There she goes. I think she's gonna find out pretty soon that she's stuck. She'll get out of there. That's kind of good though, because she can chill over there while I continue to fish over here. All right, going through these bugs. Oh no, not bad. Caught a fair amount of fish. A lot of bluegills, which before when I used to fish down here, it was mostly bass. So I don't know if somebody's catching the bass and they're kind of headed out now or what. This is the first test. I think the second test is going to be getting over to the lake. I don't know if I'll have enough time to get over to the lake before it starts getting cold, but we found out that we can catch creek chubs, bluegill, and Roanoke bass. All right, so we've bumped the paint around a little bit, but man, what an awesome lure. So go pick yourself up some of these micro cranks from Empire Lureworks. Did find a really cool piece of volcanic glass here one time. That was kind of neat. Probably no chance finding another one of those again. Apparently people can't pick up their trash. So I'm going to pick up their trash for them. This is what people do. Terrible. I wonder why nobody wants to walk over here. It's ridiculous. Okay guys, just wrapping up the video. Just got done, got in my truck. I'm actually back at the house now. That creek has always kind of produced well for me. I mean, normally it used to produce a lot of smallmouth, which it didn't this time, but that's okay. I just wanted to catch some fish on these new little baits I got from Empire Lureworks. Go check them out. Awesome, awesome baits. The little plopper, I had a couple bites on that, but I was unsuccessful getting a fish on it, but don't worry, I will get a fish on that at some point here. I'll probably end up taking it to the lake and throwing that around, see if I can get some of the bigger bluegills to come out and eat that thing. But the little crankbaits, man, those things produced well. I mean, I caught creek chubs, I caught rock bass, I caught bluegill, a lot of little bluegill, but man, what an excellent producing little bait. Now I had to stay as far as I could away from them just because of how clear the water was in that creek. It's super clear right now, but what a beautiful time. Creek water was cool. The water temperature is starting to come down. The temperature outside is actually starting to come down a little bit, but what a great day to be on the water. So again, check out Empire Lureworks. Awesome baits. I had a great time. And I guess we'll have to do this again at some point here, maybe in the fall time. Maybe I can get down there in the fall time and maybe we can catch some smallmouth down there then. Until then, thank you guys so much for watching, and remember, keep on baiting.